Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will power the phone off and remove the SIM tray or back cover to expose the charging port. Once done, use a magnifier and a precision screwdriver to remove visible screws. This gives you safe access. Make sure to keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. You're removing the few parts that block the port. This avoids damaging flex cables and prepares the device to receive a replacement pin or to clean the connector without shorting anything. Once the cover is off, gently pry open clips and lift the board to reveal the charging pin assembly. You need to inspect for corrosion, broken solder joints, or a bent pin. This determines if you replace or just realign. If solder is damaged, apply targeted heat to desolder the old pin and remove debris, then clean pads with 90% plus isopropyl. Make sure to work steadily. Rushed heat can delaminate traces, so you preserve the board integrity for the new component. You will solder the replacement pin in place, aligning it precisely and creating solid joints. Good solder flow prevents future failures. Once done, reassemble the phone in reverse order, reconnecting flex cables and tightening screws to the original torque. Make sure clips click into place. Then test charging with a known good cable and wall charger. If it still fails, check continuity with a multimeter. If continuity is fine but no charge, consult the troubleshooting tip. Try a different charger and inspect for bent connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.